Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited Nook miles on Animal Crossing New Horizons, guys. So before I get into this tutorial, I want to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to be entered into the giveaway. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited Nook miles on Animal Crossing New Horizons. And all you're going to need for this, guys, is this Animal Crossing Plus Plus app that you guys can see here on the right side of my screen. So the way this app works, guys, is once you open up the app, it's going to ask you what your city name is on Animal Crossing. And then once you type that in, it's going to ask you how many Nook miles that you want to add to your city. And so once you select that, then there's going to be a Generate Nook Miles button that you click, and then it's automatically going to generate those Nook miles directly to your city, guys. So before we get into this tutorial, guys, just make sure that you're on your cellular device, because if you're not on a phone, it will not work. So go ahead and pull out your phone, and once you're on your phone, just open up any search engine and then type in the search URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. And it'll bring you to this site right here, and all you have to do is scroll down until you see the Animal Crossing Plus Plus app. So once you find it, guys, just go ahead and click on it. And it's going to say app tweaking required, and you'll see an orange button that says download Animal Crossing Plus Plus. So just go ahead and click this orange button, guys, and then it's just going to be preparing your phone to download Animal Crossing Plus Plus so that you guys can generate unlimited Nook miles to your city. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to be saying preparing human verification. So all this means, guys, is it's going to be sending you to a human verification test just to make sure that you're a human and not a robot. So all you need to do once you're here, guys, is just complete the 4 simple offers that are given to you. I got 2 apps and 2 surveys. You may get a mixture of something different, but with each app that you get, you want to install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. And then all you have to do with the surveys, guys, is just click on them and then answer a few simple questions. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do an app. So you just click on the app. Then it'll be sending you directly to the App Store. So once you're here, all you have to do is install this app, and once it's installed, just go ahead and open it up and then run it for 30 seconds. You don't need to start a trial, you don't need to sign in or anything like that. Just run this app for 30 seconds, guys. So once that's run for 30 seconds, that's one offer completed, and then you need to go back and complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 4 of those, you'll automatically be verified as a human, and Animal Crossing Plus Plus will be installed into your phone, guys. So once again, I'll go over how this works, guys. So once you open up Animal Crossing Plus Plus, it's going to ask you for your city name, and once you type that in, then it's going to ask you how many Nook miles you want. And so once you select how many Nook miles you want, then it's going to say generate Nook miles, and once you click that button, guys, it's automatically going to generate those Nook miles to your city, guys. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comments below, and if you have any issues with this, just drop your social media down in the comments, and I'll DM you guys and help you out with whatever issues you're having. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope this video helped you guys out.
Alrighty, guys, so once you've completed the full process that I just showed you and completed the 4 simple offers, then you guys should be able to get unlimited Nook miles on Animal Crossing New Horizons. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comments below, and if you have any issues with this, just drop your social media down in the comments, and I'll DM you personally and help you out with whatever problems you may be having. Alrighty, guys, before I go, once again, I want to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this phone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to be entered into the giveaway. Alrighty, guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys out.